Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you the REMAX Reinforced Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you own one of Apple's flagship devices, you absolutely need to protect that gorgeous display, and this glass might just be the perfect solution. Let's talk about what makes this protector stand out. First, the build quality is impressive. REMAX has engineered this glass with a reinforced formula that provides serious drop and impact protection. We're talking about multiple layers of hardened glass that work together to absorb shock and prevent cracks from everyday accidents. The clarity is outstanding. One thing I really appreciate about premium glass protectors is that they don't compromise your display's visual quality. This REMAX glass maintains the vibrant colors, sharp contrast, and true blacks that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is famous for. It's like having invisible protection. Installation was straightforward. The package includes everything you need: the glass protector, alignment frame, cleaning wipes, and detailed instructions. Even if you've never applied a screen protector before, you'll have no trouble getting a bubble-free application. The alignment frame is a game changer that ensures perfect placement every single time. Durability testing shows this protector can handle serious punishment. It's rated to protect against drops from significant heights, scratches from keys and coins, and daily wear and tear. The anti-shock coating disperses impact energy across the entire surface. One more thing I love is the oleophobic coating. This means fingerprints, smudges, and oils simply don't stick to the surface. Your screen stays cleaner longer, and it's incredibly easy to wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. The fit is precise too. REMAX engineered this specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, so the cutouts for the camera array, speakers, and sensors are perfectly aligned. Nothing feels awkward or misaligned. If you're looking for premium screen protection that doesn't break the bank, this REMAX tempered glass is absolutely worth your investment. Your iPhone 16 Pro Max deserves the best defense against life's accidents. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Let me know in the comments which protective accessories you'd like to see next. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I'm never, ever, never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. sneak on through the